The first step is to head over to any website or blog in your niche. Then just copy the blog link, head over to this website, and paste the link. And boom! In just a few seconds, this crazy AI tool will create up to 200 SEO-optimized Pinterest pins right in front of your eyes. This is one of the easiest ways to make $5,000 a month on Pinterest for free. I'm going to show you how to create 200 Pinterest pins for ClickBank offers that will blow your bank account like crazy. So if that's of interest to you, please slap that damn like button. And if you want to be a ClickBank Pro affiliate and make at least $1,000 per day using AI, just comment the word 1K in the comment section, and I'll send you this free ClickBank report, which shows you exactly how ordinary people from all around the world are using cheap foreign traffic to make anywhere from $1,000 a day on up to $21,000 a day. Don't believe my word, just check it out for yourself and see it. So without any further ado, let's dive in. I'm inside ClickBank, and I've sorted by top offers. For this video, I'm picking the Smoothie Diet, a high-converting weight loss offer. It pays around $100 per sale, has a strong gravity score, and includes recurring commissions. The sales page is clean, mobile-friendly, and targets a broad audience, mainly women looking to lose weight fast. Now that we've picked our product, let's move to step 2, which is creating hundreds of Pinterest pins in seconds. So go ahead and click the second link in the description of this video, and you'll land right here. This tool is called Pin Generator, a powerful AI tool that lets you create hundreds of Pinterest pins in just seconds. As you can see, it literally says, create 1 month of Pinterest content in just 1 minute. I mean, isn't your mind blown? And it gets even better. It's fully automated with Pinterest, which means you can schedule your pins to post later without doing anything manually. You can edit multiple pins at once, generate pins for free, connect unlimited Pinterest profiles, and so much more. This is a total game changer if you want to drive free, passive traffic to your ClickBank offers. Now let's start generating the pins. Our product is the Smoothie Diet, so I'm gonna head over to Google and type in smoothie for weight loss. Then I'll open up any blog from the results. And as you can see, it's filled with smoothie recipes. I'll click on one of them to check out the full recipe. Once you're inside the blog post, all you need to do is copy the blog link and head back to the pin generator tool. Next, click on the Generate button, paste the blog link right here, and change this number to however many pins you want. I'm using 20 pins here just as an example, but feel free to add 200 or even 400 and it'll still work perfectly. After that, you can connect your Pinterest profile directly to this tool, which makes your workflow super easy. Next, you've got the color option. I'm gonna select green, since it matches the smoothie health vibe. Then, you have the template option. From here, I'll select templates, and boom, it shows me all these template packs to choose from. Since our niche is related to diet and recipes, I'm going to choose the recipes category. And as you can see, it gives me a bunch of beautiful templates to work with. This one looks pretty cool, so I'm gonna select it and hit done. As you can see, it has created this amazing looking pins, which I'll cover later. Next, we've got the brand settings section. If you have a logo or a website, you can upload your logo here or type in your domain, and it'll automatically show up on all your pins. Super useful for building brand trust. Then, you have the image section. Here, you can either upload your own images or let the AI generate images for you. I'm not gonna touch this for now. After that, there's the stock images section. You can search for any image based on your needs, and it'll pull in relevant high-quality visuals. There's also a video section in case you want to turn your pins into animated content. But again, I'm not gonna touch that right now. Now here's where it gets crazy. The AI section. This tool can actually rewrite all your pin titles and descriptions using AI. It's fast, it's automatic, and honestly, it's kind of insane how good it is. And finally, we have the bulk settings, where you can set your titles, descriptions, destination links, and more in one go, which saves you a ton of time when you're generating hundreds of pins at once. So that's it. As you can see, you can also shuffle pins, schedule all, and download all at once. So there you go. You've got bulk pins created in just minutes. Now I'm gonna hit edit. And as you can see, it's already generated the title and description for each pin. You can also select different templates, connect your Pinterest profile, and tweak anything you like before posting. Alright, so our pin is ready. All you have to do is either download it right here, or just connect your Pinterest account and let this tool automatically post your pins according to your custom schedule. And that's pretty much it. It literally took us less than 2 minutes to create a full month's worth of Pinterest content. fully optimized, and ready to drive traffic straight to our ClickBank offer. If that's not a game changer, I don't know what is. Just make sure to give credit to the original owner to avoid any copyright issues. Now, here's your bonus. If you want to learn exactly how ordinary people from all around the world are making anywhere from $1,000 per day on up to $21,000 per day by leveraging AI with simple and shockingly cheap foreign traffic, make sure you check out the first link in the description below, or go to insider10x.com and download this free special book that will show everything about this method. Once you download the free book, you're going to redirect to this page where you have the opportunity to register for the free ClickBank workshop that will show everything you need to know to get started. Over $364 million have already been generated within 3 years from the student by using this 3-step system. So, before everyone and their grandma jumps on it, I want you to click the first link in the description below, or go to insider10x.com to take advantage of this golden opportunity right now. Make sure to watch the training until the end, as you only need to learn this system or skill once, and it will pay off for you forever. That's it for today's episode, and I'll see you in the next one.